Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.004299, 24-hour volume, we're up 74%, and market cap, we're up 7.57%. So heading over to our daily chart, taking a look at the tops of the last two previous candlesticks, including today, we are hitting a massive resistance line here at 0.00442. Now, if we scroll out here, we can see right at this point here at November 17th was another area of resistance. Not only that, but as price decreased on November 9th, again, this is another area of resistance. However, we can also see that this area was tested as an area of support. So support turned into resistance once again. Now, once we take a look at the price action currently right now, the volume itself is going on a downside. So we can see as the price was progressing at the beginning of the year here on January 1st, it was backed up by multiple volume coming up. Volume coming into this parallel channel where the price is coming down to support, resistance, support, and then again at the area of resistance here. Now, when we take a look at the volume compared to yesterday's green candle here, very, very gorgeous. We've got volume as high as 621 million going into that candle alone. And now what we're going to experience is we are going to experience that back trend. We're going to experience that correction in the exhaustion of this uptrend at this area of resistance. One of the things that I did kind of take a look into as well is possibly if we are going to break out through this area of resistance. And if we take a look on our MACD indicator here, we do see some weakness in the candlestick or the histogram that we see here where it's lighter in the color. So we are losing momentum. However, if the price itself is able to recover around 78% of our fib at 0.00406, it's going to make that slight correction and the uptrend may continue depending on a few factors of our momentum growth, if it does grow or not. And if we take a look at 78% of our fib, we've got areas of support around this area here. So we're hoping that would hold it. If not, we may come back down between 78% of our fib to 61%, and it's still going to be in this uptrend channel here. Now, I'm going to head over to the immediate short term for 4 hours. We do see that pinch of our Bollinger Band. We do see that we are on the outskirts of our upper band, and it may trigger a selling opportunity. Now, notice how long these wicks are at the top and at the very bottom too. So we may see a slight temporary pause in the marketplace until Jasmy may retest the area of resistance or break down on the downside. And one of the things I'm going to do quickly here, actually in the daily time frame to see our areas of supply and demand, is I'm going to be pulling out our indicators and clicking fixed range volume profile. Same thing with the volume at the very bottom there that does per day. We're actually going to be doing it per dollar amount. So as we can see here already at the prime location, we're getting a lot of volume, a lot of nodes in this area at the price currently right now. If the price does move away from this area, we are most likely going to come back down right here at the 78%. You guys can see these two nodes that are sticking out at 407 all the way down to 399. Going into the 4-hour time frame, again, what we are going to be using is that fixed range volume profile. It's taking a snapshot of this area, and here it is again, you guys. Here, if we do see the price consolidate and break through these areas of that support at the very bottom, the nodes that we are seeing for our volume is just slightly below the 61% of our fib, again getting into back to this volume. So there is possibilities of price breaking up in the upside, retesting this area of resistance. Once we see that, it's going to be a huge sell-off because this is an area of confluence, meaning a lot of people are watching if there is potential buyers eager to get into the market to push the price, and then it's going to easily sell off here because the volume itself is not increasing at this point here. So those are my observations for Jasmy. Definitely fun playing around with the coin and scalping in a minute time frame. I don't know what you guys do in terms of your tradings. If you're short traders or long traders or day traders, definitely let me know down below. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time.